Hello everybody. This is my new small one-room apartment in Tokyo. The favorite thing I love about this room is that its location is perfect. And most of all, it's so pretty in golden hour. You'll see. I usually start by washing my clothes and hanging them. Did you know I used to live in a huge 100-year-old Japanese house that I restored myself in Kamakura? I'll try to introduce the house to you guys when I get the time. Hence the reason of the huge coffee machine that I have. You'll probably see it somewhere in the video. Anyways, back to my cleaning. Oops, I almost forgot to hydrate my skin. Can't forget that. Then I'll usually wash the dishes from breakfast and then switch on my cleaning mode from here. I usually deep clean on Monday to get it ready for the week. I always make a cup of coffee for myself in the morning. Do you? This is a cream cleanser to wash my whole entire sink. It is very helpful. It makes the sink look sparkly new. And it feels really clean after you finish rinsing it off. Next, to my shower room. I'll use the same cleaning sponge and clean the whole entire sink, washing off any kind of germs, especially in this season. I think it's really important. Can't forget to change the bath mat for your feet too. Moving on to my entrance. I think keeping your entrance clean is so important. If you've never tried it, you should. It feels so good. For example, for me, when I open my window in my living room after cleaning my entrance, it feels like it's bringing in better energy into my room and air. This is my hallway, by the way. My very small hallway. I haven't found a table that matches the feeling here yet, so sorry for the appearance. This plug-in smells so good. I think I bought it when I went over to meet my family in Pennsylvania. The smell was pumpkin spice. Oh, this juice is so healthy, by the way. I'm so obsessed with it. It's 100% organic and it's just so healthy. This is my living room, bedroom, dining room, so yeah, my living room. is called a kotatsu in Japanese. Kotatsu is a table that has a built-in heater in the middle of the table, and you place a blanket like the one that I have. It is a Japanese culture thing because people tend to sit on the floor a lot and I am one of them. In the winter time when you don't have any blankets or a kotatsu, it's certainly very cold. So by having that, I keep my whole entire body warm. But it is April now, so yeah, I think I'm going to clean it up. Bye bye! This is my favorite part. Even with the windows open, the room starts to smell and feel so good. I love lighting up candles. They're so comforting. Okay, moving on to my bed. I love airing it out, keeping my pillows fluffed. Also, I have a UV mattress cleaner, so I use that to clean my sheets. Oh, this is my favorite room spray from Zara Home. Don't forget the shelves. They do collect dust. Can't forget this part. Golden hour. It's my favorite time of the day. The sun feels so good on your face. Okay, let's finish cleaning. Thank you again, guys, for watching my video, and I'll be uploading again soon. See you guys.